Understanding the phrase, to offer prayers for. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and meaningful expression used in the English language, to offer prayers for. This phrase embodies a sense of compassion, care, and community. It's not just about the words, it's about the sentiment behind them. Let's dive deeper into its meaning and use, so you can confidently incorporate it into your conversations. When we talk about offering prayers for someone or something, we're referring to the act of praying with the intention of seeking help, support, or blessings for them. It's a spiritual or religious gesture, indicating that you're asking a higher power to look after the well-being of the person or situation you're praying for. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Whether someone is going through a tough time, you're hoping for a positive outcome, or simply wishing good health and happiness for others. To offer prayers for can be used in both formal and informal settings. It's common to hear this phrase in times of crisis or hardship, such as during illness, accidents, or challenging life events. When someone is undertaking a significant challenge, like exams, job interviews, or important personal milestones. In a community gathering or religious service, where people come together to pray for a common cause, such as peace, healing, or prosperity. You can use this phrase to express your support and empathy towards someone by saying, "I will offer prayers for you," or "We are offering prayers for your family during this time." It's a powerful way to show you care and are thinking of them. Offering prayers for someone does more than just provide emotional support. It can create a sense of community and connectedness. For many, knowing that others are praying for them brings comfort and hope. It's a reminder that they're not alone and that there are people who wish them well. This collective goodwill can be incredibly uplifting, especially in difficult times. To offer prayers for is a phrase rich in empathy, support, and community spirit. Whether you're religious or not, understanding the depth of this expression can help you connect with others on a meaningful level. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and significance of offering prayers for someone. Remember, it's not just about the words you say, but the intentions and feelings behind them. Thanks for watching, and may you find opportunities to use this heartfelt expression in your life.